Welcome to the Mellifella Crypto channel. I'm the Mellifella, back to share my adventures in crypto with you. Be aware this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Also, it's cold in these crypto streets, so always do your own research. Invest no more than what you are willing to lose. Protect your things and make sure you are taking some profits along the way. This is another update in my LIBERA Angels NFT journey. This is my 9th video on the topic. If you're not familiar with the LIBERA Angels NFT project, I have included a link in the description area below for you to review. Now, in your research, there's a couple of things I do want to call out. That on the website, it does say that this project produces about 1.5%, approximate 1.5% in daily income in USD. This is not the case anymore. That has been changed a few weeks now, and it's 1%. I'm not sure why the devs aren't updating the website, but just be advised that this is not 1.5% expected, or not expected, but approximate. That is 1%. And, we'll get into some numbers and show how I'm tracking to show you where that is. Also, another thing, the LIBERA Angels NFT project is in its phase 2 right now. So the majority of the NFTs that I have were purchased in phase 1. At the start of phase 2, the price of those NFTs increased by 10%. So the numbers that I'm going to show are going to reflect phase 1 NFT. So I just want to make sure I call that out. So getting into where I am, I have 16 NFTs. If you've been following these videos, there's been no change in my NFT count, and I'm not looking to take on any more at this time. And my buyback opportunity is gone as well. So I'm not looking to buy or sell the Angels back to LIBERA, but I may post some on the open market to sell that way if I decide to do that. But as it stands right now, I'm holding my 16, and in my wallet I have 99 LIBERA BUSD-LP, which is about $90.91 in BUSD. I did sell my holdings or my claims from my NFT project on last week to get into another project, and I'll show that in a moment as well. So from a total claim perspective, before I get into the total claim, I just want to kind of talk through what I've invested into this. I have invested about $3,800 BUSD into this project so far. So I'm not looking to add anything else, but I have done about $3,800, and of that I've received $1,477.78. My pending, I do have $30.22 in BUSD, or 32.908 LIBERA BUSD-LP. So I will be claiming that today, as well as today's rewards when those come through in about another hour or so. Now let's see how I'm trending. So things are trending down, folks. This is we're on a continual downward slide as far as the percentage daily reward. And this is what I was getting at. The project initially announced, or initially communicated when it was first announced, that it would provide approximately 1.5% of BUSD income daily. And it's going to be, there's some caveats, right? It's dependent upon, the behavior of the folks that are involved in the BUSD, the LIBERA BUSD miner. And if you're familiar with that project, you know what that's about. So far, things are kind of, they're just trending down. Not kind of, they are. They're trending down. So for this past week, I think I've been in the 6.69% range. Yeah. So here we go. So I'm in the 0.69% range, which is approximately 2.076 to 2.057. LIBERA BUSD per NFT per day, and I'm tracking this on one NFT right now just to make it easier for me to capture. I do have more details in another spreadsheet, but I'm just tracking and charting my initial NFT. So my total rewards from my initial NFT purchase Is 136 BUSD, LIBERA BUSD LP. So that's about 45.5% of what I initially put into that NFT, and that's been over the last 52 days. So it's going to take likely take another couple of months before I hit 100% on my return on investment. So I would expect to have my return back within about 2 months, maybe 2 months and a week, somewhere thereabouts at the rate things are going. So, I'm not dissatisfied with my investment here. I'm not, it's I won't say it's underwhelming. I mean, it is. I am getting some return, and it's better than what I would have received had I left my money in a traditional savings account or something like that. But I am going to stay the course for now, and it is, again, with some of the proceeds that I've received so far out of these NFTs, I have been able to put into other projects. Namely Uxie. So Uxie, if you're not familiar with Uxie, I've included a link in the description for it as well. This is the DEX, the decentralized exchange that's going to be supporting the Vulcan blockchain. And the Vulcan blockchain is due to release in Q2 of this year. And if you're not familiar with that, I've included a link in the description area for it also. So, overall, my thoughts on the LIBERA Angels NFT project, again, not extremely disappointed with it. I guess I'm indifferent. I'm not, extremely excited about it, but I'm not really disappointed in it. I am getting some returns, and I do have the opportunity to resell. And based on where I'm at, and what I see on the marketplace, I'm pretty sure I could, flip my NFTs and get my initial investment back if I should decide to do that. But anyway, not something I'm looking to do at this moment, but the option is there should I want to do that. But that is it for now, folks. I appreciate your eyes and ears. And if you find this content useful, helpful, hey, I would appreciate a like, a share, and a subscribe. And until next time, Mellow Fellows out.